Hello everyone, welcome to MS Aptiv Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to create a secure Receive connector to receive emails from a partner in Exchange Server 2019. SMTP connectors define settings for incoming and outgoing SMTP connections. Incoming SMTP connections are controlled by Receive connectors and outgoing SMTP connections are controlled by Send connectors. We can create and manage send and receive connectors using Exchange Admin Center or Exchange Management Shell. In Exchange Server, receive connectors are required to allow a mailbox server to receive SMTP messages. A server running on Exchange Server 2019 has 5 receive connectors configured automatically during the installation, and the name of those 5 connectors you can see in the Exchange Management Shell. The default connectors allow communication between Exchange servers within the organization and allow messages to be received from external mail systems and clients using various protocols like IMAP and POP. In this guide, we will use Exchange Admin Center to configure a receive connector to receive secure emails from a partner server. This will be helpful when we want to encrypt communication between our Exchange server and a trusted partner server. The connector is configured to accept connections only from the servers that authenticate with the transport layer security. So first, let's open Exchange Admin Center, and for that, I'm going to click on Internet Explorer icon. Type URL https://localhost/ECP and press Enter key to access Exchange Admin Center. Click on More Information and click on Go on to the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center, we need to click on Mail Flow and then we need to click on Receive Connectors. Here we can see the list of default Receive connectors on our Exchange server. We have only one Exchange server in our Exchange organization. Suppose if you have multiple Exchange server in your organization, that time from this drop-down button, you can select your Exchange mailbox server. To create a new receive connector, we need to click on this plus icon. Specify a meaningful name for the receive connector. Here, I'm giving name Secure TLS Partner Receive Connector. And as we can see, a mailbox server is already selected EX19-MBX01. Then after, we need to select a role for this receive connector. For that, we have 2 options to select from. Hop transport role is the backend transport role that is used for communication between servers. And frontend role is typically used for communication between external applications, users, and mail servers outside of the Exchange organization. Since we are receiving mail from a partner in this case, and that's why we need to select a front-end role. Let's select the radio button, front-end transport. And then we need to choose partner for the type. Let's select the radio button in front of partner, for example, to route mail from trusted third-party servers. As this receive connector will receive mail from a trusted third-party server. Now we simply need to click on the next button. For the network bindings, make sure all available IPv4 list is selected in IP addresses list and the port number is 25, as SMTP use port number 25 for the communication. This indicates that the connector listens for the connections on the IP addresses assigned to the network adapters on the local server. Now we need to click on the next button. Select the existing IP address range and click on minus icon to remove this from the list. And suppose if you keep that list, that means the receive connector will receive connections from all IP address, and that's why we want to remove them. Click on add icon and specify the IP address of our partner's server. In this example, I'm going to specify the IP address 192.168.1.152. Here, you need to specify the public IP address of your partner server. Let's click on Save to save the changes. And suppose if you want to add one more IP address of our partner server, that time again you need to click on the plus icon and specify the second IP. Fine. Let's click on Finish to create the Receive connector. We can verify that the new Receive connector is created successfully in the Exchange Admin Center. Now select the newly created Receive connector. In our case, it is Secure TLS Partner Receive connector. Click on Edit icon. On Receive connector property page, we need to click on Security. And here we can see Transport Layer Security TLS is enabled for our Receive connector. Let's scroll a little bit. And under Permission Group, I'm going to choose Anonymous Users. Let's click on Save to save the changes. And suppose if you want to change the IP related settings, then you need to click on Scoping. And here you can define the IP address of partner servers, and you can also change this network adapter bindings as well. Now I'm going to click on Save to save the changes. So Receive connector has now been configured successfully. We can now test the connector using Telnet from the IP address that was added to the remote network settings of the Receive connector. That's all for this video on how to create a new Receive connector in Exchange Server 2019 using Exchange Admin Center. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.